So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to do shading to text style in Power BI. So it is one of the techniques to apply conditional formatting on the table. So for this tutorial, I'll be working with this online retail data set. It has columns like order date, ship mode, and so on. But we only be working with category, subcategory, profit, and sales. And in the report pane, I have already made one table with columns category, subcategory, profit, and sales. Let's say we want to apply conditional formatting on profit, but this time we won't be using background color. Instead, we will be using font color since we want to apply conditional formatting using text style. So let's see how we can do this. So first select this table, go to format, and in the conditional formatting, this time select profit, and this time we will be focusing on font color. So just on this font color, and by default it has blue color theme. And in order to change the color theme, click on this advanced controls, and over here we can change the color theme by giving our own colors. Let's say for minimum this color, and for maximum let's say darker red color, and just click on OK. So as you guys can see over here, we haven't applied background color, instead we have applied font color. So in this way one can use shading to text style conditional formatting thing on Power BI report. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.